Okay, here's what the tray looked like. And it has two handles that go right here. Of course, I got my tile taped off, but I got, a handle that goes here. This is what the handle looks like. It's, it's nice, but it's very dated, and I just wanted to see if I could fix it. As us painters, do-it-yourself jobbies, always want to fix. We always want to fix. Well, how's everybody's day going? Mine's going okay. I am down at our condo and enjoying the beautiful scenery, and I've got my doors open. It's so nice to breathe in that salt air, you guys. But I'm sure everyone knows that. I like using latex. I don't use it all the time, but it's, and then a lot of times I make my own chalk paint, which is very easy to do. But I gotta tell you, I'm a little spoiled with just going to the store and picking up what you want and not having to stop and go mix some more. I used to do it all the time, but I've gotten a little spoiled in my old age. So tell me below, how can I generate some feedback from y'all? Tell me what the last project you did and you weren't very happy with it. And if you care to, show a picture and tell us why. Or even if nobody reads it, I would be interested in it. I'm working very hard at trying to get my YouTube channel going. And it's a lot harder than I thought it would be, although I've been told that it was hard. But that's okay. I'm not too discouraged. I will just keep plugging along. Do y'all think I should have painted this? Comment in the section below. And do you have a favorite paint you like to use? I've got several brands that I really enjoy. I couldn't tell you which would be my favorite because there's three that I really enjoy. Of course, Annie Sloan. She's the good old standby, and I like Dixie Belle, and I like DIY paint. Debbie, I can't think of her last name. She's real hot on YouTube. She's come out with her own brand, and I like her stuff a lot. Such unusual colors they're making now. I painted a desk the other day that I got at Goodwill for $30, and there's Debbie, that DIY. She makes this beautiful metallic paint, and it's not anything like what you think it is. But I used that on the desk and did a Annie Sloan graphite, and man, it is beautiful. I got it all done. I'll take a picture when I get home. I always forget to take pictures, you guys. I'll do stuff and then I'll forget to take pictures. And the same way with going to the thrift stores. I went to several thrift stores yesterday, and I didn't even think about getting my camera out until I was back in the car. So I don't know what's the matter with me. But anyhow, this is me painting my board, and I just got the first coat on. Without a doubt, it's going to take another coat. But this is what it looks like right now. And then when I get my project done, I'll come back and show you. The oven just rang, and so that means my pizza's done. So it was a leftover pizza. So I will be back, and this will be a good time for this to be drying. And then I'll show you the final product. See ya.